Tasty Eats with me. Now I got some this is cone ice cream. Oh my god. Now if you're on a diet, um I don't think there's a video for you, but this is my cheat time, and with this I'm having, I don't know if you guys heard of these, but grandma cookies. Oh, my favorite cookies. Grandma motherfucking cookies, okay? This is just gonna be a little short video. Tasty Eats with me. Okay? Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna eat that whole cookie just like that. Look at this shit. Ooh. Mm, mm, mm. So crunchy, so creamy. Mm, mm. Oh my god. Um, that was just a crunchy cone. I thought it was like an eggshell or some shit. Some other stuff is so crunchy. Mm, mm, mm. Now, this is I think like it's like ice cream with American cone in it, like caramel, chocolate, crunchy stuff. Now, yeah. Oh. I was gonna cheat. Instead of ice cream, I was gonna get like instead of ice cream, I was gonna get like donuts, but at the last minute I changed my mind. Okay, and I end up getting this ice because I just wanted something quick. I doesn't with the donuts. See, the cookie is crunchy. Okay, and this is not good to tell y'all. I have been getting non-dairy, non-dairy ice cream. This is the last ice cream I got was non-dairy, and if you go to your grocery store, you'll see a lot of new ice creams where they have non-dairy with almond milk or cashew milk. I haven't tried I think I tried the cashew milk once, but I haven't tried the cashew milk. I don't think. But you know what's really good? The one that has coconut milk. Coconut milk, it tastes so like ice cream, so creamy. With the non-dairy, if you get any non-dairy, get the one with coconut milk. I gotta try the cashew. I already had the one with the almond. Almond kind of tastes good, but I think the best and most velvety and most ice cream like is the one that's made with coconut milk. Now, as I was saying, one second. Okay. Um. So what I was saying is that I've been using the non-dairies. Okay. And one of the ice creams had a sale going on. Ice cream for $2.99, right? The ice cream is usually like four something, almost $5. Now, when I want to go pick up the one with the non-dairy, got to the register to get the ice cream, and they're gonna be like, wait, on the freezer it says um, all ice cream is $2.99, and some of the good name brand ice cream